Afternoon everyone, so today we're at a Renault Master 2016. So the customer's complaint about this one is it will not crank off the key. When you turn the key, you can hear it clicking. You can hear the solenoid click at the starter motor. So that, and he says if you push start the van, just let it run down a hill, it will start, no problem. So with that one test, what he's telling me, he has ruled out the immobiliser, everything like that, because if everything starts. So that's good. So I'll show you what we've done. So we went to the battery and we checked the big fuses because we could hear the click of the solenoid, so we think it's either the starter motor or it's the feed of the big wires. So you can see these are two 500 amp fuses and these were good. So the battery is underneath the passenger seat here in the UK. So what we did do next, we went right down to the starter motor, which is at the front here, and it's buried underneath, I think, is this an EGR valve or something like that? And we fed it through a jumper lead, 12 volts, and the thing cranked over. So we were missing a permanent 12 volt feed. So where it actually is, I can find the thing. There we go. The eyelet going onto the starter motor that comes out the wiring loom is corroded. So look at that. It's a bad design because the starter motor is buried under there, and the wiring loom's, well, it's all green. You can see it when you look at it from below. So the eyelet is broken off. So in order to do this repair properly, you're looking at a loom or part of a loom, so it's very expensive. So we've come up with this idea. Part of this to jump start it, there's a connector up here, it sits there. So we've took the wire out the connector, there's the wire here, we're going to drill a 7mm hole in it and put that onto the starter motor, and it'll work exactly the same because it's still protected by the 500 amp fuse, because that's just a tap off. So let's try this and it'll save you a whole lot of hassle. You can see it, our jump point is now vacant, and you can see that we've took the wire, let's see, there we go, and we've just drilled a 7mm hole in it and took it down to the main feed of the starter motor, and it works. I'll let you hear it. There we go. No problem at all. It's a fix.